The Treasure of Macedonia. In a small village nestled in the green hills of Macedonia lived a brother and sister named Goran and Biljana. One sunny afternoon, they found their grandfather's old wooden chest. Inside, they didn't find toys, but a mysterious hand-drawn map. It promised a secret treasure. The first clue on the map was a riddle. Begin where a stone giant crosses the water while an old fortress watches from high. Goran knew at once. That's Skopje, our capital city. They traveled to the city and stood in awe on the famous stone bridge, looking up at the Kale fortress. A new symbol glowed on the map, leading them away from the city. Follow the river to where the mountains kiss, Biljana read. Their journey took them to Matka Canyon, a place of stunning beauty where tall green cliffs rose straight up from the calm emerald water. The map led them to the mouth of Vrelo Cave. As they peered into the darkness, the map glowed brighter. A new line of text appeared, whispering of a place known as the Pearl of the Balkans. The Pearl of the Balkans? That's Lake Ohrid, Biljana shouted with joy. They traveled south, watching as the landscape changed from green valleys to the shores of a vast, crystal-clear lake, one of the oldest and deepest in all of Europe. Standing on the shore, they could see the bottom of the lake, even where the water was deep. The city of Ohrid, with its charming old houses, climbed the hill beside the water. The water is like glass, Goran whispered. The final clue on the map pointed to a picture of a small church on a cliff. It prays over the water, the map said. They climbed a path to the beautiful church of St. John at Canio, which stood alone, overlooking the endless blue water. As the sun began to set, casting a golden glow over the lake, the map in Goran's hands began to sparkle. It lifted into the air and dissolved into 1,000 tiny lights, like fireflies, that floated away on the breeze. Biljana looked at the beautiful church, the ancient lake, and the golden sunset. She turned to Goran and smiled. I understand, she said. There is no chest of gold. The treasure is this. It's the beauty of our home. Goran and Biljana traveled home, not with heavy pockets, but with full hearts. They had discovered the real treasure of Macedonia, its ancient history, its stunning nature, and the beautiful memories they would keep forever.